Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, a gardener is buying two kinds of fertilizers. Fertilizer A contains 60% filler materials and fertilizer B is 40% filler materials. And together, the fertilizers contain 240 pounds of filler. And we're asked to model this relationship where X is the pounds of fertilizer A and Y is the number of pounds of B. So we're told that there's the total filler materials is 240 pounds. And if he's just buying two kinds of fertilizer, fertilizer A filler plus fertilizer B filler is equal to 240 pounds. Since these are the only kinds, you have to add fertilizer A's filler and fertilizer B filler, and that's going to give you the total. How do we calculate these? Well, the filler is going to be calculated by the percent of weight that is the filler times the total weight. So if you have 100 pounds and 50% of it is filler, you take 50% of 100, which is 50, and then that is the pounds of filler in that fertilizer. Same thing with fertilizer B, percent of weight times the total weight. And this is equal to 240 pounds. Now, we are told that fertilizer A is 60% filler materials, so 60% of the total weight, which for A is X. So 60% times X plus for fertilizer B, we were told that we have 40%, and the total weight for B is Y. So 60% times X plus 40% times Y is 240. This doesn't look quite like any of our options yet, so we have to convert the percents into decimals. So this is 60%. Well, what is a percent? It's a number out of 100. So this is 60 out of 100, which is 0.6. So 0.6x plus 40%, similar thing, it's just that number out of 100. And in this case, that decimal is 0.4. So plus 0.4y is equal to 240. So this is our final equation, and it lines up with B. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.